Today we will start our third chapter of mathematics, indices and cube root. Already we have studied in 7th standard laws of indices. Here in our revision, laws of indices are given. Now we will study the meaning of numbers with rational indices. Now third chapter, indices and cube root. Now see here, now see 2 is multiplied by itself 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 5 times 2. This we can write as 2 raised to 5. It is also called the fifth power of 2. So, in this number, fifth power of 2, in this number, 2 is the base and 5 is the index. So 2 is called base and 5 is called index. So here in this number 2 is the base and 5 is the index, and this number can be read as fifth power of 2, and this total number or this whole number is called the index form, the number in index form. Now we revise the laws of indices. Already you are studying these laws in 7th standard. See here, if m and n are integers, then first law, a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Now see here, both the numbers are in index form having equal base a, and their product is here. In this case, take the base same, that means a, and add the indices. That means the value of this is equal to a raised to m plus n. Now second law is for division. First is for multiplication. Here also two numbers are in index form having equal bases and division is there. So in this case, take the same base and subtract indices. Now in third law, into bracket a multiplied by b, bracket completes raised to m, bracket raised to m. If you remove this bracket, then we will get here a raised to m multiplied by b raised to m. Now the fourth law, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. That means the index of if the index of any number is 0, then that value is always 1. And the fifth law is a raised to minus 1. Now here index is negative. Then if you want to make the index positive, then take the reciprocal of this. Then we will get 1 upon a raised to m. Now here index becomes positive. Now sixth law, a raised to m raised to n. So index of the index. Here base is a. So in this case, multiply the indices. That means we get a raised to m into n. Now 7, a upon b bracket raised to m. Here also if we remove this bracket, we will get a raised to m upon a raised to n. And 8 into bracket a raised to b, into bracket a upon b bracket raised to minus m. Now here index is minus m. And if you want to make this index plus, then here take the inverse of the base. So here base is a upon b, then here inverse is taken b upon a, and the index becomes positive, minus to positive. These rules we have studied. Now we will solve some examples on these rules. Now using the laws of indices, write proper numbers in the following places. Boxes. Now here first example, 3 raised to 5 multiplied by 3 raised to 2. Now here index is 3 and there is product. So according to the first law, add the indices here. That means 5 plus 2. So here we get 3 raised to 7. Now here division is here. 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 9. Now base is same. Base is 3 here. So put base as it is, and here is division, therefore subtract indices. That means 7 minus 9, we get minus 2. 3 raised to minus 2. Now here is 3 raised to 4 bracket raised to 5. That means here 3 raised to 4 is a number in index form and its fifth power. That means according to the law, a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to n into n. So you have to multiply these indices. That means 4 5s are 20. 3 raised to 20. So base has it. Now here in fourth example, 5 raised to minus 3. Here 5 is the base. The index is minus 3. So index is negative. So make it positive, take the reciprocal. So here we get 1 upon 5 raised to plus 3. Now first is 5 raised to 0. If the index of any number is 0, then that value is always 1. Now 5 raised to 1. Now the index is 1. So here the value is always equal to the base. Now 7 into bracket 5 into 7 bracket raised to 2. So here we get, after removing bracket, we get 5 raised to 2 multiplied by 7 raised to 2. Now 8, 5 upon 7 bracket raised to 3. After the given bracket we get 5 raised to 3 upon 7 raised to 3 and 9. 5 upon 7 bracket raised to minus 3. So here we get, now if you want to make this index positive, then take the inverse of the base. So here base is 5 upon 7. Take inverse of this, we get 7 upon 5. And here index becomes negative to positive. In this way we can use the rule or laws of indices.